The SQL standard does not include a substring function, but all the major database engines have something like this. The name of the function may be different and there may be other differences, but this is generally how it works. We're going to use the album.db database for this lesson. A substring function allows you to select part of a string based on the position of the characters in the string, like this. In SQLite, it's named substr. So this query will retrieve the characters from the string, this string, starting with the 6th position to the end. And the 6th position starts the word string with the S. So when I press go, we get a result that has the characters of the string with the word string. The second argument to the substring function is the starting position for the substring. The word string starts at the 6th position, so using the number 6, this returns the word string. This function can be particularly useful in parsing out packed data from a text column. So let's start by looking at the album table. And we notice this released column has a date in it with a 4-character year and a 2-character month and a 2-character day. And that's actually a text column. So I can use substring on it like this. I can say released and get the substring for the year. So that starts at the first column and it's 4 characters long. And then the substring for the month, which starts at the 6th column, because there's also a dash in there that we don't need in the 5th column, and it's too long, and likewise the day. And for each of these, we're going to give them a little alias. And we'll line that up. And we'll order by released. I'm just going to indent each of these a couple more so we see that they're related to the select. And when I press go, we now have the released date, the full date, that's that first column, and then just the year, the month, and the day. So this would allow you to use any of those columns in the result. You can sort by them, you can do arithmetic on them, you can use them however you like. So the SQL standard does not include a substring function, but all the major database engines have something like this. It can be very useful whenever you need to unpack data from a text column. The name and syntax of the function will differ from system to system, so you'll need to consult your system documentation to find out what works on your system.